Welcome to my channel where we explore the efficiency of healthy cooking. Today I'll demonstrate the most easy to use and inexpensive steaming equipment you can get on the market right now. But first, let's swoop into 3 fantastic reasons why you should include steaming into your cooking routine. Reason number 1. Steaming is a quick and healthier method to cook food while retaining its nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that otherwise can be destroyed through several other cooking methods, such as boiling or frying. Steaming retains the flavors of your foods without leaching out the flavor or oversaturating it with oils. Steaming maintains the natural freshness and vibrant taste that your fruits, vegetables, and other food contain. Reason number 2. The gentle cooking process of steaming makes food easier to break down, leading to better nutrient absorption and overall a better gut health. Steaming also softens the fibers in your food, so it's easier to digest. The high fibers in foods that are steamed tend to prevent constipation and helps with regular bowel movements. Reason number 3. Steaming preserves the textures of your fruits and vegetables, reducing the risk of burning or overcooking your food, which is not healthy for your gut. It also requires no extra fats or oils to make the food moist and tender, and cleanup when steaming is quick and easy, eliminating the need for greasy dishes. The versatility of steaming can be used for a lot of ingredients such as seafood, grain, poultry, and even some desserts. The best steaming equipment. Steaming is a very easy process. However, the market is flooded with expensive steaming equipment such as electric steamers and steaming pots, which can cost a pretty penny. But I have found one of the best steaming equipment for half the price, and it's very easy to use. This little gadget is a game changer when it comes to steaming. It's called the Silicone sling or the pressure cooker sling. Let me show you how it works. So today I'll be steaming some sweet potatoes, which is one of the hardest and longest vegetables to steam. And white sweet potatoes are slightly less sweeter than your regular red sweet potatoes. I peeled and cut it up in medium pieces, and I placed it in a glass bowl, or you could put it directly on the silicone steamer. I'm using my stainless steel 8-quart pan, but you can use a larger pot or a pressure cooker. I placed my glass bowl in the pot and I covered it up, and it's going to steam for 30 to 40 minutes. Alright guys, it's all finished. So the great thing about the silicone sling are the handles, which you can grab to lift your food out even when it's hot. And there you have it, perfectly steamed sweet potatoes. And of course, you can steam fruits, vegetables, fish, eggs, and the list goes on. It's also very convenient for steaming fruits and vegetables for baby food. And guess what? It's under $15. Okay guys, that wraps it up. Check out my next video on 5 superfoods that you can steam in under 20 minutes for the family. And it's also great for baby food. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell